Here we have the class diagram from when a parent is logged in and they are looking at their main menu. And so here you can get a little deeper dive into the model view model architecture that we are working with. So what we have is we have the main view here, which is the parent menu, and then that is binded to its shared view model. And now the shared view model is offered by Android as part of the Android X artifacts. And what that allows is for the shared view model to outlive the activity itself and the views itself. So if the phone rotates, what normally gets called is on destroy, and then it needs to recreate for the new phone orientation. However, the data will not be destroyed, just the initial view, because the shared view model will hang on to that. So here is we see the data binding, because that's really in the view model world. What we see here is we see the view is really only there to bind the data to the shared view model or the view models. And so since the main menu is made up of a list of the children and then a list of the chores, and you can toggle between one or the other, which one you'd like to see on your phone, this is actually made up of two fragments, and you see them here. You got the fragment of the chore list, which is the list of chores, and a fragment of the children, and they have their own associative view models. And so this allows, once they're loaded up, you can switch between the two without having to reload and do extra processing on the phone that's unneeded. And then with those view models, they're associated with their own models, and then they pull in from the repository. Now, to make this happen, we have recycler views, which react to the live data and the data changes going on through the application. So we're using the recycler view, and one for the chore list, one for the children, and then they both have their own recycler view holder, which is kind of their adapter, and it describes the behavior of that chore view, and that is talking to the activity of the parent menu, and that activity is directly linked to the shared view model. So again, if you rotate the phone and the view closes, the activity still lives.